Time is gold. Mastering time management. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the benefits of effective time management. Time is one of the most valuable resources we have, and managing it wisely can bring countless advantages, especially in the workplace. So, let's understand why it's crucial to be a master of your time. Time management is the process of planning and organizing how to divide your time between specific activities. It's all about making sure you use your time effectively to achieve your goals. By mastering this skill, you're setting yourself up for success in many areas of life. 1. Increased productivity. When you plan your tasks, you can accomplish more in less time. A clear roadmap helps in avoiding procrastination and keeping on track. 2. Reduced stress. Knowing what needs to be done and when reduces the feeling of being overwhelmed. This leads to a calmer mind and better decision-making. 3. Higher quality of work. When you're not rushing through tasks, the quality of your work improves. You have the time to pay attention to details and refine your results. 4. More free time. Effective time management often results in finishing tasks earlier, leaving you with free time for personal activities or relaxation. 5. Fewer mistakes. A well-planned approach means fewer oversights and mistakes. This saves time in the long run as less time is spent correcting errors. 6. Improved decision-making. When you're not constantly in a rush, you have the mental space to make more informed and rational decisions. 7. Enhanced reputation. Being known as someone who is punctual and always meets deadlines can elevate your status in the professional world. This can lead to more opportunities and career advancement. Understanding the benefits of time management doesn't just benefit you as an individual. When you manage your time effectively, your colleagues, superiors, and even your family and friends can feel the positive ripple effect. Your team can rely on you to meet deadlines. Projects are completed more efficiently. Friends and family appreciate the respect you show by valuing their time. In a world that's always on the move, mastering the art of time management is essential. The benefits extend far beyond just the workplace. It touches every aspect of our lives, bringing efficiency, peace, and success. We hope this video has enlightened you on the importance of time management. Until next time, remember, time is gold, so spend it wisely.